Alright guys, so in this section of 1.1 I just want to do a few more problems with you, and first problem I want to do is going to be convert each angle measured to decimal degree, 35 degree 30 minutes. Problem number 53. Okay, so in this problem number 53 we need to convert 35 degree 30 minutes. Well, I know that 1 degree correspond to 60 minutes, and I do remember that 1 minute correspond to 60 seconds. That will be for the other problem. Therefore, 35 degree 30 minutes, it's equivalent to 35 degree and 30 over 60 if over degree, which is 35 degree 1 over 2 degree, and we end up to have 35.5 degree. Problem number 53. Now let's do problem number 59. On the problem number 59, what we're talking about is converting 20 degree 54 minutes and 36 seconds. That means it's going to be 20 degree 54 over 60, and second into a degree is going to be 36 over 3600 degree, and we end up to have a number 59, 20.91 degree. 20.91 degree. I would like to remind you, you can always use your calculator to find this value. Now convert each angle into degree, minute and second. If applicable, round the nearest second. So problem number 65. Now we're doing the inverse of what we've done previously. We're going from 39.25 degree, and we are going to convert that into degree, minute and second. And this is going to be pretty simple. We are going to end up to have 39 degree plus 0.25 multiplied by 60 minutes. Okay, multiplied by 60 minutes, and we end up to have, for the problem number 65, 39 degree 15 minutes. 39 degree plus 15 minutes. Okay, so the answer is 39 degree 15 minutes, obviously 0 second. Now if I want to do one with a second, number 64, no, number 72 is a good example. Number 72. So problem number 72, we got 59.0854 degree. That means we're having 59 degree plus 0.0854 minutes. So now if I want to convert my minute into my degree, into a minute, I will multiply by 60, and I end up to have, and that now would be minutes, 59 degree plus 5.124 minutes. Obviously I can accept, I need to transform 0.24, so now I'm getting a 59 degree 5 minutes plus 0.24 multiply by 60 seconds. And the answer is going to be 59 degrees, 5 minutes, and 7, I think I made the calculation, 7.44 seconds. And so I can fairly say that the answer is going to be 59 degrees, 5 minutes, 07 seconds. Problem 72. In this problem 72, find the angle at least positive measure not equal to the given measure that is coterminal with each angle. You must remember what is a coterminal angle. So if I take the, let me erase that. Let me take the ruler, that will be better. But basically what it is if you look here we go. So I'm just going to represent the end side, terminal side. Okay, this angle right here, let's say it's I don't know, let's say it's 30 degrees. Okay, let's say that's 30 degrees. The angle 30 degrees, it is exactly the same that the angle this one, which is 360 plus 30, 390 degrees. Okay, so the whole idea for number 72, it's very simple. So they are saying that you need to find for the angle 32 degrees. So if you have an angle of 32 degrees, well, that is coterminal with each angle, you just need to add 360 degrees, and your answer is going to be 392 degrees. Okay, if I do 86, number 78, problem number 78, the angle theta equal 86 degrees. What I do is 86 plus 360 degrees, and I end up to 446 degrees. Now, number 93. Number 93, we have 5,000, the angle theta equal 5,280 degrees. Well, in order to find how many times I can have 360, I'm going to do a 5,280 divided by 360. That gives me around 14 point and some number. So, therefore, I'm going to take 14 times 360, and 14 times 360 is equal to 30 times, it's equal to, so 14 multiplied by 360 is equal to 5,040. So 5,040, and so 5,280 minus 5,040, it's equal to 240 degrees. Alright guys, I think you have enough problem. Thank you very much, and see you in the next section.